Food is more than flavor. It's nature's language of healing. Every fruit, leaf, seed, and grain carries a story written by the earth, meant to nourish, repair, and renew us from within. When we eat with intention, we're not just filling our stomachs, we're fueling life itself. Imagine your body as a garden. The quality of the soil determines the strength of every flower that blooms. The same goes for you. Whole foods, colorful vegetables, fresh herbs, and clean water rebuild your body cell by cell, giving you more energy, clarity, and peace than any pill ever could. As we grow older, our bodies crave kindness, not chemicals. A balanced diet rich in fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats keeps inflammation low and vitality high. Gentle movement, morning walk, slow yoga, or stretching with the sunrise awakens circulation and keeps your joints young. Combine this with restful sleep, sunlight on your skin, and deep breaths that remind you life is still beautiful. Healing isn't found in a single meal or miracle cure. It's found in the quiet, consistent choices you make every day. When you eat with gratitude, your body listens. When you move with joy, your heart smiles back. And when your thoughts are calm, your immune system thrives. Food is not just medicine, it's a message from nature saying, I'm here to help you heal. You are never too old to change your story, to feed your body the love it deserves, and to discover that wellness has always been waiting inside you. Let every bite be a blessing, every breath a renewal, and every day a gentle reminder that you are still capable of growing stronger, wiser, and more alive. Food is a natural medicine created by the earth to support healing, strength, and balance. Every fruit, vegetable, grain, and herb carries unique nutrients that restore energy and repair the body from within. When we choose real, unprocessed foods, we invite nature's intelligence into every cell, allowing our bodies to function as they were meant to. The colors and flavors of whole foods are signals of their healing powers: greens for renewal, oranges for vitality, reds for circulation. By honoring what nature provides, we align ourselves with its rhythm, nourishing both body and spirit with the life force present in every bite. Eating whole, colorful, and natural foods is the foundation of lasting vitality and strength. Each meal made with fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains nourishes the body deeply, helping cells repair and renew with natural precision. These foods supply antioxidants that fight aging, fiber that supports digestion, and healthy fats that protect the heart and brain. As we grow older, our bodies need nutrients that energize rather than exhaust, and nature provides exactly that. Fresh, living foods keep our minds clear, our skin glowing, and our hearts active, allowing us to feel younger, stronger, and more balanced each day. Light exercise is one of the simplest and most powerful ways to keep the body alive and strong. A gentle morning walk, slow yoga, or a few minutes of stretching each day helps improve blood flow, flexibility, and mood. Movement keeps the heart healthy, strengthens the muscles, and releases tension that builds with age. It also boosts oxygen levels, awakening energy that makes us feel more youthful and alert. Exercise does not need to be intense. It just needs to be consistent. When we move with joy and gratitude, every step becomes a reminder that the body was made to thrive. True wellness is created through small, daily habits that nurture both the body and mind. Eating balanced, nourishing meals gives energy for the day, while restful sleep allows the body to heal and recharge. Spending time in sunlight and breathing fresh air restores calm and balance to the nervous system. A positive mindset helps reduce stress and strengthens immunity, guiding us toward inner peace. When we care for ourselves consistently, every choice adds up to lasting well-being. The combination of good food, gentle movement, proper rest, and gratitude forms the foundation of a healthy, joyful, and fulfilling life each day. Asterisk, when food, movement, and gratitude come together, they awaken the body's natural power to heal and restore balance. Eating fresh, wholesome foods fuels the cells with vitality, while gentle, daily movement keeps the heart open and the body flexible. A thankful mind reduces stress and invites emotional harmony, allowing energy to flow freely throughout the body. These three elements form a circle of wellness where each supports the other. With every nourishing meal, mindful step, and grateful thought, the body and spirit grow stronger. It is never too late to live with intention, vitality, and renewed inner strength.